Remember, during today's reading mini lesson, we talked about how accuracy and quality are different as we're reading a nonfiction book. When you're looking for accuracy, remember that we check the credentials of the author, check the research the author has done on the topic, read other books or websites about the topic, and compare the information in the book to the information in the other sources. Quality, what do you think of the author's writing style? Is the book interesting and enjoyable? Did the book make me want to learn more about the topic? Are there high quality photographs illustrated or another helpful graphic? As you read today during your independent reading time, read a nonfiction book. Think about the accuracy and the quality of that book. Look at other sources to check if the book is accurate. Bring those ideas with you during our reading group time.